Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do another Hobby Raid RC conversion on this buggy thing. Got this off eBay for really cheap. I really liked it for two reasons. We're going to set up electronics and stuff, but well, one, it's pretty simple. I like simple stuff. But I noticed it had full front suspension. Like, that's pretty nice. Like, it's simple too. The only thing I don't like, I'm still trying to design really simple independent front suspension, or just rear suspension for that matter, but front two-wheel drive ones. But this would be simple, but like, see when you hit bumps or like you got a load on there or like it's bumping a lot, you got camber. I want to keep it like pretty flat, so I really don't want it to, the wheels bent camber, but we'll see. I did install a little servo in there already. That was the difficult part. I don't like filming me trying to figure it out, but it just slides in there, you see. Pretty simple. Back was just literally cutting wires and connecting a JST connector, and it should be ready to go. I know this is not going to be fast by any means, just by the gearing. I can tell already, because I think I hooked up the power supply. This has been a while since I even touched this, so I don't know. I got my receiver. I got ESC, I got battery, so plug and play time, So let's plug this in, JST connector. Receiver is always second channel, and then ESC servos first channel. I'm pretty sure. Make sure my trims are set. Turn that on. Put this in. Yeah, that trim's not bad. Oh. Steering reverse. That's not too far off for setting it manually. Not the fastest servo. It was more my ESC's working. Hold on. Oh, okay. Throttle's reversed too. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this came tireless when I got it, but I just put on some, most of you already probably know what these are. These are Traxxas E-Revo tires I had lying around. They fit perfectly, so it looks like that slider needs some oil, because like it's a little caught on there. I got some 3-in-1 we can put on there. It's got that spout thing. There we go. See if that helps it smooth out. Yeah, so that slider on the was just a little sticky. That's pretty easy. Oh, that one's a little wobbly. Let's try this one. It's not a very powerful little, but this will go off-road. It's good.